In this video, I'll show you how to fill a shape, different type of shapes, with an image, some Canva image or your own uploaded images in Canva. This is one of the examples what you can do. As you can see, we have a photo, and this photo is placed inside this shape. Okay, how we can do it? You can do it actually in Canva in any design. This design now I have a YouTube thumbnail, but you can do it in any videos, presentations, documents, images, whatever. What you need to do, we can write here image frame, and here you'll see some frames. There are a lot of them. Let's see all of them. These are all of the different frames. We can have even frames for iPad, laptop, phone, computer, whatever. Maybe some mirrors, any type of frames. Okay, let's add something. For example, this heart, and also let's add a frame with at least two pictures. This is one picture. Yeah, and here you can see three pictures. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Now, how we can fill these shapes with image? We can choose any of the images. We can choose one of the photos from Canva. Yeah, this some examples. Or you can upload your own image, and it will be shown in uploads. Okay, let's choose any of these pictures. For example, this one, if you just click on this picture, it will be added on your design just like a normal picture. This is not what we wanted, so I just delete it. And how we can fill this frame with this image? We need to drop this image inside this frame. This is it. And also how you can do it with several images inside one frame. We just need also to drop it here, another picture drop here, and the third drop here, and that's it. If you want to see more frames, there are a lot of different frames. Yeah, even letters or numbers, and you can fill all of these frames with different images or even maybe videos. Let me try. Let's choose one of the videos and add it here. Yeah, we even can fill this frame with video. Yeah, this is how you can easily fill your frames in different designs in Canva with your own images or with some stock images in Canva.